Imagine being able to heal your body and uplift your soul with the simple touch of nature. What if I told you that the key to better health and peace of mind could be right in your garden or kitchen? In today's video, we are diving deep into the world of herbal remedies, a world where plants aren't just food, but powerful tools for wellness. Whether you're looking to relieve stress, boost your immune system, or find natural beauty solutions, herbal remedies offer an ancient wisdom that's still relevant today. Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll discover how to harness the healing power of nature in your daily life. Herbs have been used for centuries as natural remedies, long before the advent of modern medicine. Today, as people seek alternatives to pharmaceuticals, the age-old knowledge of herbal remedies is making a powerful comeback. For example, chamomile isn't just a gentle tea, it's a potent stress reliever and sleep aid. Turmeric, a common spice in our kitchens, holds incredible anti-inflammatory properties, capable of easing joint pain and supporting heart health. And then there's aloe vera, often used for skin care, which can also soothe digestive issues when taken internally. Let's take another example, ginger. This spicy root isn't just for adding flavor to dishes, it's also a natural remedy for nausea and digestive problems. By incorporating a simple ginger tea into your routine, you can ease an upset stomach without reaching for over-the-counter drugs. Moreover, herbs like lavender can help calm your mind and promote relaxation, making it easier to unwind after a long day. But herbal remedies aren't just about physical health. They can also nourish your soul. Imagine starting your day with a cup of peppermint tea, known to uplift your mood and invigorate your senses. Or consider how a lavender-infused bath can melt away the stresses of the day, leaving you feeling refreshed and at peace. These simple practices, rooted in nature, help us connect with something greater than ourselves, bringing harmony to both body and spirit. If this exploration of herbal remedies has sparked your interest, then you're on the right path to a more natural and holistic lifestyle. Remember, the healing power of nature is at your fingertips. You just have to reach out and take it. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insights into natural living. Don't forget to like the video and share your favorite herbal remedy in the comments below. Your journey to wellness begins here. Let's take it together.